The Samsung A58 5G imagined with a Snapdragon 8S Elite processor could be a surprisingly powerful mid-range contender that bridges the gap toward flagship performance while keeping practical everyday strengths. With a 144Hz FHD Plus Super AMOLED display, the A58 5G would deliver ultra-smooth animations and vibrant visuals, ideal for scrolling, gaming, and streaming. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8S Elite would bring significantly enhanced CPU and GPU performance compared with typical mid-tier chips, giving the phone snappy responsiveness, strong multitasking, and better handling of demanding apps and games. For photography enthusiasts, a 300MP main camera sensor could capture incredible levels of detail in photos and offer more creative flexibility compared with standard 50 to 108MP sensors seen on current A-series models, though this specific spec is hypothetical. Topping it all off, a massive 8,500 mAh battery would ensure endurance for long days of use without frequent charging, making it excellent for travel, streaming, and productivity. Altogether, these standout specs would position the reimagined A58 5G as a well-rounded phone with a premium feel, combining smooth display, powerful performance, huge battery life, and advanced imaging in a 5G-ready package.